Want to know how to sell digital products with GetResponse? This video will walk you through exactly what you need to know, and I'll also reveal some alternative platforms that might even serve your goals better. Stick with me, and you'll get all the details you need to make an informed decision, especially if you're serious about selling your digital products online. First things first, GetResponse is a powerful email marketing and automation platform, and while it has solid features for selling digital products, it's not the only option out there. What makes it stand out? You can easily create landing pages, set up email funnels, and automate your sales process. So, how do you start? The first thing you need to do is create a landing page. GetResponse has drag and drop tools that let you build professional looking pages quickly. You don't need to be a designer or developer, and it's super easy to integrate your payment systems directly into these pages. Next, you'll want to set up an email funnel. This is where GetResponse shines. With their automated workflows, you can set up emails that trigger at the right moments. For example, you can send a follow-up email with a discount code right after a customer shows interest in your digital product. It's all about automating your sales, so you're not manually reaching out to every lead. The third thing you'll need to do is optimize your sales process. GetResponse lets you track metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates. This helps you understand where your customers are dropping off, so you can tweak your approach and improve your sales. But let's pause for a second. While GetResponse is great for these things, there's one big downside to be aware of: its pricing. For all the automation and features, you're looking at a fairly high monthly cost. It's definitely worth it if you're selling a high volume of digital products, but if you're just getting started, this might not be the most cost-effective solution. The fourth thing to consider is GetResponse's integrations. It integrates with a lot of tools like Shopify, WordPress, and more, which can be a major convenience if you're using those platforms. However, it doesn't always work as seamlessly as other software, and you might experience some technical glitches. Now, let's talk about alternatives. While GetResponse has a lot of features, if you're focusing on selling digital products, platforms like Samcart and Thrivecart might be better suited for your needs. These are specialized tools that focus entirely on selling products, and they offer even more streamlined solutions for things like upsells, checkouts, and payment integration. And here's the catch: I've got an exclusive deal for you. If you're still set on GetResponse, you can get an extended free trial through our link. But if you're looking for something better suited for selling digital products, Samcart and Thrivecart also offer amazing free trials, and trust me, their platforms are more focused on product sales. To wrap up, GetResponse is a solid choice for email marketing and automation, but if your main goal is to sell digital products effectively, it may not be the best option for everyone. Be sure to check out the exclusive free trials through our link to see which platform works best for your goals.